Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start Apex Legends. First, you'll need to download the game from your platform's digital store, whether it's on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch. Once installed, jump into the mandatory training tutorial. This crucial step will teach you the fundamental controls, movement, and combat basics. After the tutorial, you'll choose your very first legend, each offering unique abilities to master. It's an exciting journey ahead. Apex Legends primarily features a Battle Royale mode where you team up with 2 or 3 players to be the last squad standing. There are over 20 unique legends available, each equipped with a distinct passive ability, a tactical ability on a short cooldown, and a powerful ultimate ability. Understanding these abilities is key to success. Take time to experiment with different legends in the firing range to find the ones that best complement your individual playstyle and team composition. While Raft isn't natively on mobile, you might consider cloud gaming services. Platforms such as GeForce now allow you to stream PC games, including Raft if it's in their library, directly to your mobile device. However, these services typically demand a very strong internet connection and often come with a subscription fee. Alternatively, many excellent survival games with multiplayer capabilities are available directly on mobile app stores, offering a true mobile experience. As you progress in Apex Legends, you'll want to focus on continuous improvement. Complete daily and weekly challenges to earn experience points and in-game currency, which unlocks new cosmetic items. Dedicate time to the firing range. It's an excellent place to refine your aim, practice recoil control with different weapons, and test legend abilities. Finally, watching professional players and streamers can provide invaluable insights into advanced strategies, map rotations, and optimal positioning, helping you elevate your own gameplay to the next level.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.